I am going to show you my one and done application. So I have on my silk primer, which always goes on top of my skincare before my foundation goes on. And the silk primer really fills in your porous fine lines so that you have a beautiful smooth canvas to put your foundation on. Next, I already have the color correcting tinted moisturizer, which I use pretty much 90% of the time, evens out my skin, reduces any surface redness, because guess what? It has a built-in redness corrector right in there. So it just gives it a really sheer finish and just evens out your skin, and it just makes it look beautiful. So next up, I have on concealer already. I've corrected underneath. I have dark circles, and I use medium color correcting concealer because that has a little bit more of that orangey base and that neutralizes the darkness underneath. All right, so I'm going to take some light medium concealer, and this is actually a new container, so it's the airless pump, so you get every last drop, which is amazing. I'm actually going to warm that up in my fingertips and then use that lightly over the lids, inside corner here and outside, and just pat it in. Okay, so I've already neutralized the lids, so we're going to go right in with the one and done shade. This is Pink Posey, and what I really love about the color is that you can really blend that out to make it a little bit softer, or if you layer it, you can intensify the color. So I've buffed away some of the color from the brush so that it's a softer finish, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that right on the outer corner and the crease line. So it's okay, so both eyes are done. Part of the video cut out, but I just layered 2 layers of the color to give that little bit of intensity. Took a little bit more of the Pink Posey, and here's a fun little trick that I absolutely love. Eye illuminator just brightens everything up underneath your eye area. Really great as a Mother's Day gift too, because it just perks up tired looking eyes. I'm going to take my brush, take a little bit of eye illuminator, and then I'm going to dab it right into the blush or the Pink Posey, and check this out. It is just going to give me such a beautiful glow on the cheeks. And don't worry if you get a little too much initially, we are going to still blend this out a little bit more, but I want you to see that glow. And then I'm just going to take my foundation brush and blend. Okay, so I've blurred out any edges with my foundation brush, and now we're ready to finish off the eyes. So what I'm going to do is take that same eye illuminator, and I'm going to actually put it right on the inner lid and come about 3/4 of the way out, and look at that, it just brightens up the eyelid and gives you a little bit of highlight. And we're going to take a touch right underneath the brow bone. Do is take my brush and just soften out the edges there. Now we don't need to put any more color on here. There's enough left on there just to kind of blur out the edges. And then we're just going to add mascara. So I've already applied mascara to the other side. And what I'm doing is wiggling at the base so it deposits a little extra mascara on the lid. And then I'm going to smudge that and use it as a liner. And to save time, I also used the mascara in my brows. So you can see what a difference the mascara and brows make to the whole look. I'm just going to finish this off. I'm going to take a brush, a flat brush, look down and kind of smudge this out a little. And that just creates that tiny wing that you can extend, and then you have a faux liner. So I'm just going to finish this off camera. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish off this one and done look with the ShadowSense. I've got it on my eyes, cheeks, and now we're going to apply it to the lips. So you're just going to take that same color, the wand, and you can apply it directly from the wand, or you can put it on your fingertips. So I'm just going to apply it right onto my lips. And you have to remember, this is not going to have the longevity of lip sense, but if you're in a pinch and need something fast, it works. And you do want to make sure that you let it set. So I'm just going to let this set for a few seconds, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to finish off. Okay, so I have let the ShadowSense set, and look at that. Now it doesn't budge off. However, it's not going to last as long as Lip Sense does, but I'm going to give it a little bit of a glossy finish. So that's it. That was the one and done ShadowSense look. It is our cream to powder shadow that stays put, starts off as a cream, sets as a powder, does not move once you have it on, but best of all, it's super versatile. I just showed you 3 ways to use the ShadowSense on the eyes, cheeks, and lips. There are so many other ways to use the products, but if you want more information on the products I've used or anything else, please let me know that I used and also share with you the shopping link. So if there's anything that you're wanting to pick up, now's the time. I've got a few extra bonuses in there when the packages go out. So thanks so much for watching.